Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna do unboxing. I have this Michael Kors box and as well as Ann Taylor. So I went to AnnTaylorFactory.com, so I order online also. So come on guys, let's start. But first that we're gonna do unboxing is this one. So let's switch, and this is the Ann Taylor. And because of the summer, so I choose this dress. It's a white color. So this is how the wigs look like, guys. Look at that. I love it already. I'm loving it already. So later I will show it to you how the wigs look like. Let's see. Because I'm here in my closet. So, and the next one is this Michael Kors box. So this one I ordered because I have upcoming birthday party to attend. And let's see how the weights look like this, because it's very small box. So I hope this is the one that I ordered. So come on guys, and let's start. Oh, there you go. So this is how the way I like for Michael Kors. Oh yeah, it's so tiny. So this is the first that I ordered. So I did not know this is how tiny it is. So let's see where to open. Oh, these sell it very good. So if you notice guys that I always do unboxing for Michael Kors, because I have a 10% off. So if you order through to my website or through to my YouTube channel at Lotus Vlog 57, just click there and you can have the $10 off. So let's see guys, what is this, because I'm getting excited for this one. Oh wow, I love the color. OMG, I don't know. Now it's look like I wanna save it. So anyway, it's so tiny. I surprised how tiny it is. Oh, and here we come guys. Every time that I order, I always look for the authentication, as long as it's a double. This is cool. As long as the number that it has to be here. Yes, if you notice, there's a number in here and it's here. So, and this one guys is, wow, okay. Oh, this one is, oh, it's a good gold color. OMG, I cannot believe it's very tiny. I don't even know if it's my phone's gonna fit here. So, how is this gonna be? I get confused for this my unboxing. This is, oh, it's, there's a triple. It's a triple handle. So if you want just the handbag, just like this. If you want the shoulder bag, let's see guys, because actually I'm so confused, but there's another one there to be a crossbody bag, but this is so cute. I love it. OMG, it look like I wanna get this one. It look like I wanna save it instead. So OMG, I can't believe how. Let me get the scissors. I always have scissors here in my closet. Oh no, I think I cut the wrong one. Okay, I wanna cut it this because I wanna see it. Oh, there you go. So, oh wow. Looks like they have a lot. So if you want the shoulder bag, it's like this. It's so tiny. And here's the crossbody. Okay. My ring is keep moving also. So, oh, there you go. 4. So if you want to change it and you want to, this is multi-purpose guys. This is for hand. And this is for the shoulder bag. And this one is for the crossbody. So we have to take it out. This one first. Sorry for my mess. And I'm so surprised for this. It's giving me hard time also to pour it. And this is how the way it's look like guys. Oh, it's so cute though. Hopefully my phone is fit in here. And this is how the way it's look like guys. So I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can see it through to the mirror. So this is how the way it's look like guys. In the bag. As well as if you want to put this one to use it. So it's very tiny. But actually, I like it. Look at that. It's so nice. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon. By the way guys, every Wednesday, I always promote my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is soon is gonna be Lotus Travels and Lifestyle. So every Monday is about food, restaurant, and whatever we cook here in our house because we cook only once a week. And every Wednesday is unboxing, fashion vlog, collection in my closet, and shopping. Friday is about travels, adventures, hotels, restaurants, and concerts. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon.